My name is Kent Groves. I'm a strategic account manager here at Mechanical Power. Mechanical Power is a one-stop engineer component supplier serving original equipment manufacturers with industry-leading global resources, service, and quality. Prior to joining MPI, I served in the U.S. Navy as a petty officer 3rd class, specialized in flight deck aircraft handling and F-18 Hornet engine and fuel system maintenance. Mechanical Power has the experience and know-how to truly understand unique applications of our customers and their consumption needs, as well as their product requirements. We deliver quality parts when and where our customers need them. We form a true partnership with our customers and provide a service that delivers real measurable advantages that our customers can leverage against their own industry competitors. I work with a large existing OEM customer base to identify and implement mutually beneficial growth opportunities. I monitor and manage our customers' unique material demands, and I coordinate with MPI Purchasing Department to ensure a continuous supply chain of mechanical power supplied industrial components. The most exciting part of my job is getting to visit customers' facilities and learning how our components are used in their manufacturing processes. When not out visiting our fantastic customer base, my daily activities include monitoring customer inventory levels, responding to customer questions, coordinating pricing for our existing parts, and quoting new parts, as well as reviewing physical samples and coordinating with the rest of the MPI team to ensure our customer needs are always met. Our team supports all industrial equipment manufacturers. Some major industries we serve include agriculture, truck equipment, conveying equipment, industrial drivetrains, and much more. Culture at MPI has been and always will be evolving. We focus on having fun while delivering results. To learn more about MPI, visit us at mechanicalpower.net. Global sourcing simplified.